Hello, language learners. Welcome to our channel, where we help you improve your English skills. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrasal verb, bail out. Let's dive in. So, what does bail out mean? Well, it has two main meanings: to provide financial assistance and to rescue someone or something from a difficult situation. Let's start with its definition. Bail out is a phrasal verb that means to provide financial assistance or to rescue someone or something from a difficult situation. Bail out is formed by combining the verb bail with the preposition out. Examples: the government bailed out the company to prevent it from going bankrupt. She bailed her brother out by lending him money to pay his rent. Synonyms: rescue, save, help, assist. Antonyms: abandon, desert, leave. So, now you know the meaning, definition, formation, examples, synonyms, and antonyms of bail out. Use it in a sentence today and practice your English skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning videos.